Hi everyone, Juby again. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a nice fresh king prawn watermelon salad. Okay, let's start guys. But before I start, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Okay guys, let's start. Let's see our ingredients. I've got king prawn, I've got ginger, palm sugar, chili, garlic, lemongrass, mini watermelon, fresh coriander, fresh mint, fresh baby gym salad, and a mixed leaf salad. And also we have Thai soy sauce. Okay, let's start with the king prawns. What I normally do, I get prawn, open them up, the backbone, with a small knife like that, and you see, because when you cook, it's nice presentation. You don't have to do it if you want. Okay, let's start now with the ginger. Okay, let's peel the skin off. That. Use my knife. Peel them up. Yeah. Now, slice it thin. Okay, I'm not gonna use the whole thing. This I can put it back in the fridge. You can keep making tea or something. All I need, just this for thin like this. Okay, so you put it back together, build them up like that. Yeah, and then we're gonna slice very thin. Yeah, like that. You see that? It's like very thin. Yeah. Going. And then we're gonna chop them. Yeah, like that. And you get a small. There we go. Look at that. Okay. Put it back there on the plate, ready to mix when we make a salad. This is gonna go with the dressing. And then we got garlic. Let's crush them. Crush the garlic. Yeah. Let's chop them. Ready to go in the pan. Keep it there. Right, let's move on to lemongrass. This lemongrass, I can smell it. In Thailand, we use it for almost everything. As a medicine, good for your skin, good for your breath, good for your lung. They do like steam, you can do like tea, making tea, cooking, put in a salad to lift the dish. The dish can be like fresh, nice, you can feel it citrus, okay? It's a bit hard to cut, make sure you have a sharp, very sharp knife, okay? What you gotta do, just bang it, make it soft, and then cut the head off, and then just keep sliding. Keep going. Keep going. Stop now. So about this, we're not gonna use anymore. Okay? Look at that, guys. I can smell it already. These lemongrass gonna give a Thai taste to this salad. Okay, move it there. Right, let's move on to chili, guys. Again, without a chili, it's not a Juby cooking. Okay, let's chop the chili. Chop. We're gonna mix into the salad later on. Just get it ready. Okay, put it back there. I love chili. Chili is my favorite. Everything I cook with chili. Right, let's move on, guys. Now we're gonna move to palm sugar. Let's talk about this a little bit. Palm sugar is natural sugar from the palm tree. Okay, let's break it up. It's very healthy. I don't use sugar. I don't use white sugar. Most of the time I use brown sugar or palm sugar. Break it into small pieces because we're gonna melt in the pan later on. That should be enough. A bit more. So I'm gonna keep the rest for the next time. that I'm cooking. Okay, about this much. This, okay. That's it. Let's move on, guys. Next, we're gonna do watermelon. Okay, let's put it back. Ready to go. Okay. Okay. Back in the plate. Ready to go. Again, it's all about preparation, guys. Thai cooking. The cooking process is like 2 or 3 minutes done. Okay. Now let's put on the watermelon. Okay, what you're gonna do? Cut head and tail off. Okay. We've got a lovely look at that color, mini watermelon. Look at that. So we're gonna cut in half. I don't need all of it. I'm gonna keep it for next one, or my wife, my kids can eat it. Cut it to quarter. 2 quarters should be enough there. And then now, cut like this shape. What you gotta do? Use the knife. Go around it. That's it. Okay. Get rid of this. And add. Again, same again. Right to the edge, and then just let the knife work in. Don't press it too much. Okay. Now, give it. Okay. Just chop it like that. If it's too big, cut them half. Okay, like that. Now, let's put it there. Look at that. It don't have to be watermelon really. If you fancy mango, papaya, it's up to you. It's good for summery, you know. Right, next now we're gonna just chop coriander. Don't have to be fine chop, like you just roughly chop. I'm gonna put in the salad. This coriander is gonna lift this dish. Okay. Right, guys. Next, I'm gonna make jubi dressing. Okay. What we need is only soya, and I have palm sugar. Palm sugar. You're gonna love this natural sugar, okay? This is gonna make this dressing, the glazed color, nice thick sweetness, natural. You have garlic. Who don't love garlic? Ginger. This ginger is gonna boost your immune system. Let's move on, guys. Look at that. Now we have fresh lemongrass. Lemongrass is a medicine in Thailand. We use for everything. So now chili. Without the chili, it's not a jubi cooking. Let's cook now. Okay, what you need? Pan like this. Gas on. Full power. Wait for a minute. Just get the heat of the pan, and then we have olive oil. I like olive oil. I use for everything. Okay. Now what we do? Wait for the pan hot. We get the prawn ready first. We're gonna put prawn, garlic, and palm sugar together. First, oil, not too much, and soy sauce we're gonna put right nearly at the end. Okay. Now we add palm sugar first. With garlic. Wait for a bit. Let the palm sugar melt, nice, and then we can add prawn. Okay. Look at that, nice. Smell lovely already. Natural sugar. And healthy. Okay, now start melting now. We're gonna add prawn. Yeah. Okay. Now you can add lemongrass. It's gonna lift the dish up, all these flavor ingredients. Okay? Chili and ginger, we're gonna add to the end. Now, look at that. Already. Oh, flavor. Lovely flavor. Now, we're gonna add soya. Quite a bit. I would say about 5-6 tablespoons. Now, oh, flavor, look at that. It's very quick. Simple, easy. Look, start melting. You see the glaze already? You see that? Look at that, look at that. Oh, now turn it off. Don't need any longer. And then now you add ginger, chili, all in. Now, look at that. Guys, you can smell it already. It's gonna be juby prawn dressing. Oh, look at can't wait. Right, move on. Now, here we go. You got mixed leaf salad. Put it in the bowl. You have baby gym leaf. Just picking it. Don't need to cut them. Use your hand. Picking it. Nice and fresh. Look at that. Picking it. Make sure you wash your salad, guys. I wash my salad all the time. Sometimes you buy packaging, it says it's been washed. I don't believe it. So, right, mint now. Look at mint. Look, fresh. Just picking it. Pick mint in there. Don't need to chop them. In there. Pick them. There. Pick them. That's it. And now you have coriander. Just put them in. You don't need to put salt because salt is from the soya. Now you have watermelon in. Okay, now guys, prawn. Look at that dressing. Okay, put the prawns in. For the dressing, we'll add to the end. Just let it cool down a bit. It's still hot. Again, guys, prawn only take like 1 or 2 minutes to cook. Don't overcook prawns. Okay? You see the prawns? Earlier on I cut the backbone. This is good presentation, easy to cook. Look at that. See, that's why we cut the backbones of prawns. It looks nice, lovely to eat, catch your eyes. Okay, now dressing. It's okay. It should be alright now. Now we're gonna put them in. All in. All in there. Look at that. Oh, I can't wait for this salad. Very fresh, healthy, summery. What else you need? Don't forget to use hand, guys. I wash my hands, so mix them all out. Mix them in. All in. Look at that. Look at that. Again, guys, don't have to be watermelon. If someone don't like watermelon, you can choose all the fruit you like, really. Mango, pineapple, everything. Let's get the plates, plate them up. Okay. Don't scared to use hand. When you cook for yourself, don't worry. I'm making for my wife as well. Oh, smell lovely. So fresh. Look at that. So fresh. Oh. Homemade, fresh. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Here you are, guys. This is my salad. Healthy, easy to make. From me to you. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next week. Love you all. Bye bye.